how to remove apps that are not present on your Android's home screen or even under the hidden apps section. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can actually remove apps which are not present on your Samsung home screen on Android. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. The process to remove hidden apps is very simple, or how you can actually delete them if they're not present even under hidden apps or your home main app screen. So to do that, simply open up the settings application. So once you open up settings, what you have to do is you have to go to the option called apps. When you select apps, basically it's going to show you a list of all of the apps which are installed on your phone, even if they're not present under the hidden apps or even if they're not under your home screen on your Android. Then you'll see all of these applications on this list. So let's say I want to delete a particular app from this list. What you have to do is simply select it, and you can see this button which says uninstall. So select uninstall and then tap on the OK button. This is simply it. Regardless of wherever your apps are stored, they will basically show up on this particular page. You can also categorize them automatically by tapping on the three dots and see app preferences and so on. You can see the sorting list and so on. You could also go ahead and search for the app which is missing and you're not being able to locate. But basically this is it. You just have to select that particular app and then tap on the uninstall button which you see, and then tap on OK, and this will remove the application even if they are missing from your Android home screen when you show that you have installed them. And this is simply how you can actually remove apps which are not present on your Android home screen on Samsung. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.